Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, in Okinawa, Pacific Ocean side, east beach side of the little island Okinawa. Well, I was walk around, drive around seaside with my 4x5 black and white film. So this is black and white 4x5 image. Well, I don't have color image of this scenery, so I gotta add color with by my remembrance. I don't know. Well, what I know is blue sky, maybe just a touch yellowish sand. That's all. Well, greens, some. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna colorize this image first. So even though I have pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter code find edges, I don't think I'm gonna use it today, and just for autofocus out exposure for shooting this movie. Well, I'm gonna add layer, then change blend mode to color. Then now let's go from sky blue. That's for sure. Blue. Nice blue, huh? Okay. Then I'm gonna use no texture. So airbrushing to medium blend. Now that's gonna do some colors on sky. Okay, about this much. Just a touch. There is greens here too. Okay, now I'm going to use eraser tool. Same airbrushing to medium blend. Erase some. Making mask is easier, I think, but I'm using the same color layers, so just using eraser tool. Well, I think dark blue for ocean. Okay, lock the original image. Alright, then I'm gonna lock this. Then color is fine. Okay, go for greens. Well, eraser tool. Then choose greens. Well, not much greens. Okay, go for rocks, rock color. Well, pretty much, pretty interesting colors, nice colors, isn't it? Alright, now, I think I'm gonna emphasize some colors. Well, black and white to color. A little bit, maybe reddish. And green, emerald green. Pretty good. Okay. Okay, touch more. Okay, overall pretty good colors. Real saddle, emerald greens, and nice sky blue. Nice contrast. Well, we see some. Let's see. If I duplicate this layer, double the color, touch, a little bit more contrast, huh? And off. We see. That's maybe a little bit too much, then tone down about 60. Now shows a little bit more, yeah? Okay. Well, I guess that's pretty good. And I have this pencil drawing type image. Then change blend mode to like linear burn. Gets darker. Pretty impressive. Color burn. That's pretty good. Well, these are for next. Soft light, vivid, luminosity. This is cool, nice. Well, I guess that's it for today, and just keep it this way. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this coloring on black and white image is some kind of idea for you, creative work. And well, what I did is just change blending mode to color, then add colors. That's about it. Well, thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Yep.